What if happiness wasn't something you had to chase, but something you could actually build, step by step? Too often, people believe happiness comes only after reaching big goals, like getting a promotion, buying a dream house, or finding the perfect relationship. But science shows that joy can be created in the present through intentional practices. From gratitude and kindness to mindfulness and meaningful action, there's a proven equation for lasting happiness. Let's explore how you can start applying it today. Number 1. Happiness as a starting point. We often think happiness comes only after achieving success, like landing a dream job, earning more money, or reaching big milestones. But science proves the opposite. Starting with happiness leads to better performance, stronger relationships, and greater resilience. When you choose joy first, your brain works more creatively, your energy rises, and problems feel less overwhelming. Happiness is not a finish line, but a foundation. Cultivating it daily sets the stage for a more fulfilling life, where success flows naturally from a positive, balanced mindset, instead of being the only key to contentment. Number 2, get physically active. Movement is one of the simplest yet most powerful happiness boosters. Physical activity releases endorphins, natural chemicals that improve mood and reduce stress. The best part? You don't need intense workouts to feel the benefits. A short walk, stretching session, or even dancing in your room can make a real difference. Consistency matters more than intensity. When you add regular movement to your routine, you're not just building physical strength, you're also creating a happier, more energized mind. Activity becomes a daily reminder that your body and brain thrive when they're moving. Number 3, practice gratitude daily. Gratitude changes how we see the world. Instead of focusing on what's missing, it reminds us of what's already good. Writing down 3 things you're thankful for each day may seem small, but it trains your brain to notice positivity more often. This practice builds long-term resilience, making it easier to handle stress. Gratitude can be expressed in different ways: journaling, reflecting silently, or even thanking others. Over time, it strengthens optimism, deepens relationships, and shifts your perspective. Happiness grows when you take time to recognize the value in everyday experiences and simple moments. Number 4, perform random acts of kindness. Helping others is a powerful happiness strategy that benefits both sides. Acts of kindness, whether big or small, spark joy, boost self-esteem, and even reduce stress. Science calls this the helper's high, a feeling of warmth and satisfaction after giving. It doesn't take much effort. Compliment someone, donate to charity, write a thoughtful note, or surprise a friend. These small gestures ripple outward, making the world better while strengthening your own sense of connection. Happiness isn't just about what we feel, it multiplies when we share it through kindness and generosity. Number 5, engage in mindfulness and meditation. Our minds are often busy, bouncing between yesterday's regrets and tomorrow's worries. Mindfulness and meditation bring us back to the present, the only place happiness truly exists. Even a few minutes of focused breathing or quiet awareness can calm the mind and reduce stress. Regular practice strengthens attention, emotional balance, and clarity. It also reshapes the brain, building resilience to challenges. Mindfulness doesn't require perfection, just awareness. By paying attention to the present moment, you cultivate peace, gratitude, and joy. Over time, these small practices create lasting calm and deeper happiness in everyday life. Number 6, disengage from technology. Technology keeps us connected, but too much of it can overwhelm the mind. Constant scrolling, endless notifications, and comparing ourselves on social media often increase stress and reduce happiness. Choosing to unplug, even for short periods, gives your brain space to rest and reset. Try a phone-free evening, a nature walk without devices, or scheduling tech-free hours. These breaks help you reconnect with yourself, others, and the real world around you. Instead of constantly reacting to digital noise, You allow space for creativity, calm, and deeper joy. Disengaging from technology doesn't mean rejecting it completely. It's about setting boundaries. With balance, you'll find more energy, focus, and happiness in daily life. Number 7, be fully engaged. Enter a flow state. One of the most powerful ways to experience happiness is through flow, a state where you're so engaged in an activity that time seems to disappear. Flow happens when your skills match the challenge in front of you, keeping you focused yet energized. It could be painting, coding, writing, playing sports, or even cooking a new recipe. The key is finding something you love, eliminating distractions, and immersing yourself completely. Flow doesn't just bring temporary joy. It creates fulfillment because you're learning, growing, and expressing yourself. Unlike passive pleasures, flow builds lasting satisfaction and pride. By seeking these moments regularly, you anchor happiness in activities that matter, bringing both meaning and energy to your everyday life. Number 8, take an action-oriented approach. Many people wait for motivation before starting, but the truth is that action itself creates motivation. Taking even a small step, like walking for 10 minutes, reading a single page, or writing one paragraph, breaks inertia and builds momentum. Over time, these small actions become habits that fuel happiness and confidence. Science shows that progress, no matter how small, gives the brain a sense of accomplishment, releasing chemicals that lift your mood. Action also quiets overthinking, replacing doubt with real experience. The more you act, the easier it becomes to stay consistent. Happiness is not found in waiting for the perfect moment, but in doing something today, no matter how simple. Each action strengthens your emotional well-being. Number 9, focus on internal motivation. Chasing approval, money, or recognition may give a temporary thrill, but true happiness rarely lasts when it depends on outside validation. Internal motivation, on the other hand, is deeply fulfilling because it's about doing something for the joy it brings you. Ask yourself, would I still do this if no one noticed? If the answer is yes, then you're driven by genuine passion and purpose. Reading, creating art, exploring, or learning new skills often fall into this category. Activities powered by internal drive build resilience, foster personal growth, and provide lasting happiness that doesn't fade when praise or rewards disappear. This kind of motivation makes your joy more authentic and under your control. Number 10, create space for rest and reflection. Constant activity may feel productive, but without pauses, it drains both energy and happiness. Creating space through rest and reflection is vital for balance. This doesn't mean laziness. It means recharging your mind and body so you can return stronger. Quiet journaling, meditation, or even sitting with your thoughts allow clarity and self-awareness to grow. Reflection helps you process emotions, spark creativity, and focus on what really matters. By protecting moments of stillness, you nurture peace and deeper joy. Happiness thrives not just in doing, but also in simply being. Rest becomes a powerful tool that refreshes your spirit and keeps life meaningful. Happiness isn't a distant prize. It's something we can shape every day with small, intentional choices. Whether it's moving your body, practicing gratitude, or creating space for reflection, each habit adds up to a more fulfilling life. Remember, joy is the starting point, not just the destination. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep choosing happiness one day at a time.